Welcome back, guys. Tonight I've got an unboxing for you. It's the Bright Showers handheld shower. Alright guys, so here it is. It's the Bright Showers handheld shower head. It is not the kind that you're going to be mounting to the wall, which I live in an apartment, so I can't really get away with that. At least I'm not sure if I could or not. I got one that wanted bolted directly to the actual shower head. So I got this off of Amazon for about $33. The reviews I was looking at, it looked pretty decent actually. It does have 3 shower settings. It has the, I'm going to call it jet and shower, and then just the jets. And you use that toggle there to switch between them. So I'm going to go and get this unboxed for you, and I'll show you what everything looks like. Alright guys, so here it is. So first we have the piece that we're looking for. This is plastic, of course, and it has the 3 settings right there. It is very lightweight because it's plastic. It has the little rubber pieces that you can rub to get the calcium off. Now there is a flow restrictor in there if you want to take it out, which I'm sure everyone will. The threading is plastic on it. The hose itself is right here. It's plastic also, but the fittings are definitely metal because they are pretty heavy. The length of that is the length of it. So that's probably about 4 or 5 feet, I would say. And then the fitting where it's going to connect to the actual shower is right here, and it feels like it's plastic also. Not very much you're going to get for $33. I can tell you, you're not going to get a bunch of metal. So this is it, and then basically what's going to happen is it's going to rest up here. This part here will thread onto the actual shower head itself, well, where it would thread onto. Then the hose itself will thread onto here, and then into the bottom of this. So that is the actual unboxing part of it. I just want to kind of show you guys basically what it's like. Like I said, the reviews on this, I looked at a lot of different ones on Amazon. I chose this just because basically it was small. I didn't want something huge. It will be really efficient on water. I will put some specs on the screen as far as like the GPM and all the good stuff. So with that said, that is the unboxing of the Bright Showers handheld shower. If you have any questions for me, put it in the comments. Anything you want me to review or try, put it in the comments. And with that said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and you have a great night.